Now we come to the rules of subject-verb agreement, and we have two rules: the number rule and the person rule. So in this video we will discuss the person rule, and here is what it has to say. The subject and the verb must agree both in number and person. So in number and in person are the two important things. This is the only principle which governs the subject verb agreement in a sentence. Of course, there is more to it than meets the eye. It's not just about number and person only. In the number rule, there are many other categories, there are many other variations. But the person rule is quite simple and straightforward. We have first person, we have second person, we have third person, right? The first person singular is always I, and the first person plural is we. The second person singular is you, and the second person plural is you. The third person singular is he, she, it, and the third person plural is they. Now what we observe here is that when the subject is plural we, the verb is are, the subject is in second person, whether it is singular or plural, we always use the verb are, and in both the cases we have you. So whether you are referring to one person, you can say you are not rich, and even if you are referring to more than one, then you can say you are not rich. So basically this becomes uniform. In the first person we have the subject I and the verb is am, and in the third person we have he, she, it, which is, and the plural is are. So this is the person rule, quite simple and straightforward, not the number rule. As highlighted in the above table, the changes in the verb are governed by the person and by the number of the subject. The person rule is simple and straightforward, but the number rule is subject to a few exceptions. We will later discuss these exceptions in detail. So in the next video, we will discuss the number rule, and there are many other things in the number rule which become very important. And this is all about the person rule: I am, you are, he, she, it. Okay.